Hello everyone, welcome again to Bharti Vaishna's class. Today I am back with another lesson of writing portion. It is how to write a diary entry. Actually, a diary entry is a professional record of a person's thoughts, feelings, and experiences. A person used to write a diary when he or she wants to keep something secret, and a person does not want to share that with anyone. So, a person used to write a diary, and the way we used to write something in the diary, that is called diary entry. Now, I will tell you some points that are need to be remembered while writing a diary entry. When we start to write a diary entry, the very first point that a student should keep in his or her mind, that is, we should start each and every line from left hand side margin as shown here in the picture. You can see the brown arrow indicates the side margin, and you should start every line from here only. When we will start writing the diary, we will start it by writing the date and year. So, my dear students, please remember we should always write the date in expanded form. What does mean? What does this mean? This means that expanded form is like 22nd October 2020. We used to write date in two ways. We can write it in 22 10 20, right? But that is not the expanded form. Expanded form is 22nd October 2020. You should always start writing a diary with this way of day and date, right? Here I would like to suggest you that writing the time is optional. If you want to write, you can write. If you don't want to write, you can skip it. But remember, if you are writing the time, it should always after 8 o'clock, right? Because definitely we are not going to write a diary at the beginning of the day. When something will happen in the day, then only we will write in the diary. So we will wait for the whole day to be passed. So if you are going to write the time in the diary entry, it should be after 8 o'clock in the night. Now, after writing the date, we will leave one line as shown here in the picture, and after that we will write the salutation. Salutation is to speaking to somebody, that is called salutation. And here, as we are talking to our diary, here we are considering the diary as our best friend. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. Here we are considering our own diary as our best friend, and we are sharing our secrets with our diary. So we will start the diary, dear diary, always. And after writing dear diary, we will put a comma. This is called salutation. Now here it is the format of diary entry. Already I have told you how to write the date and year. After that the salutation, dear diary. After writing dear diary, we will not leave any line, and we will start from next line. And we will write diary entry in three small paras. First para will be the introduction of the topic. Second para will be the detail of the topic about what you are writing the diary entry. And last and final para will be the conclusion. Conclusion is to end up the diary, right? So that is that. Please remember, we will not write anything at the end. We cannot write yours, we cannot write your truly friend, we cannot write good night, we cannot write anything. We will write wherever we will finish writing, it will be the ending of diary entry. So this is the basic format of diary writing. I hope you understand. Now, thank you so much for listening to me for so long. I hope you understood everything, whatever I told you about writing the diary. Now, as I have told you everything about how to write a diary entry, now it's your turn. Definitely, you know, in my every video, at the end of the video, I used to give you a task. Here also, I'm giving you a task about the diary entry, and your task is here I'm giving you a situation. Situation is, imagine that you have had an argument with your sibling. Suppose you had a fight with your brother or sister, or you had a fight with your friend, or you had a fight with your mother or father. Although this is a very bad thing to fight with your parents, but just imagine, suppose it happened, right? So you need to write a diary entry about it. Now, what are the points you can include in it? You may include, you can start the diary entry with, as I told you, you should write diary entry in three small paras. So in first para, you can write what happened. This is the introduction. You will say, dear diary, today I had a big fight with my mother. Today I had a big fight with my brother. Today I had a big fight with my brother. Whatever you are writing. Okay. After that, you can write what you argued about what was the topic of the argument. How did the fight start, right? And after that, how you ended the argument, how your argument was it ended on a good term, was it ended on a bad term, right? How do you feel now after all this scene, after the fighting with your brother or sister or your mother or your father or your best friend? How are you feeling now? And now, what are your plan to patch up? Do you want to patch up with that person? Are you feeling bad? And what do you think? How you can patch up? Are you going to say sorry to that person, or are you thinking, no, how I can say sorry? That person was also at mistake, right? So this is the diary entry you need to write. Please write this diary entry on a paper, and please let me know if there is anything, if any doubt about the diary entry, if there are questions you could not understand, if there is anything that is still in your mind, please ask me. Anything you want to ask down in the comment section. Please leave your questions in the comment section. I promise you I will answer your questions. Well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for understanding this topic. Please don't forget to like my video and share it with other students so they can also understand the topic. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep on watching and liking my video. Thank you so much.